Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know that how to set up the Fantech Thor X9 mouse, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is search for Fantech Thor X9 software, and you can find this Fantech World official website where you can find each and every mouse details with their software version. So you have to search for the Thor X9 from here. Now you can find software, you can download, simply click on it and it will download that exe file for that software, set up your Thor X9, the macro for your Thor X9 actually. Then when you have finished download, install this and you can find this here. Here is the software, so simply click on it and yes. So here you can see it is paper installation here, so you have to complete the installation. Now simply click on next, next and next, again install and finish here. So from here you can find this Fantech X9 gaming mouse here, simply click on yes again, and you have to plug your USB mouse from here, and after plugging your mouse you will be able to set up your mouse from here, where you can, when you open this app, you can find this type of interface where you can simply go to the advanced settings. Now when you are on advanced settings, you can find this name where you can name your settings here. Then here you have to simply click on new and it will get the name, and from here you can import your settings if you want. So here the key list, you can right click on it and you can add all the mouse settings from here. When you right click on it, add forward, add backward, modify delay, each of everything from here. Like you can set the button here, left button, right button or mid button. So that's how you can just set up your macro on your Fantech X9 mouse. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching till next time.